Hi everybody. Today we're going to make Copycat Snowballs. So we're going to start out with just a standard family size brownie mix. And we're going to mix this up just according to package directions. So 1 brownie mix, 2/3 a cup vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of water, and 2 eggs. Just going to give this a quick mix. And now I'm going to pour it into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Spread it out just a little bit. Now I'm going to pop this into a preheated 325-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Okay, while the brownie section of our snowballs are cooling, we're going to go ahead and do the next section. So we are going to need 1 16-ounce can of vanilla frosting. I can only find a 13-ounce jar, so we're going to go ahead and use half of this, and we'll have some marshmallow fluff left over. Not the worst thing in the world. So in order to get about half of this out, I'm going to heat it up in the microwave for just 20 seconds so it's easier to spoon out. All right, and now I'm just going to eyeball this, so we're going to take about half. Oh yeah, much easier now that it's cool. All right, that looks good. And now the entire jar of vanilla frosting, go in here. And we're just going to mix this well. All right, just took a few seconds. That's nice and mixed. Now we are going to work on the part that makes them look like snowballs. We're going to color our coconut flakes that will go on top. Put these back on. That always helps, right? All right, 3 cups of coconut flakes. And I've got some neon pink food color. It just came out of a regular pack from Walmart. And I'm going to start out with about 3 or 4 drops of the pink food coloring. You know, you can always add more if needed. And then take your fork and just kind of fluff it around. It's starting to change color. I don't know if you can tell. Now I'm going to grab our brownies and we'll start assembling. Right, ready to assemble? So let's grab our marshmallow fluff and icing combination over here. And I'm going to just pour this out over the brownies. Now we're just going to spread it fairly evenly. We are going to add our pink coconut on top. There you have it. Copycat Snowball brownies. And of course, we're going to give this a try. They kind of poof up into a little ball when you cut them. All right, let's see how this tastes. Oh my goodness. So good. These are so good. I can't keep this to myself. My mother-in-law loves snowballs. Let's go see how she likes these.
That's all you have? Hmm.
Can't get it on the fork.
You're gonna like it. I thought so.
Delicious.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it. Thank you.